donkey. Labrum in my left hip is torn, so I do therapy because I don't want to get the surgery. My ligament in my linker hip is geskeur.
Lyk jou weer by jou.
Die weer is koud en nat. Ja, real winter here is snow. Lots of snow.
Selfs ek het moeg geraak. So alright for you?
Ek het.
Pas op. Ketelwater is, do you have a kettle?
Yeah, is it kettle water, like boiling water?
Yes, exactly. Why does everyone say Americans don't have kettles?
We don't use them as often. Like, you're not going to go to every house and find a kettle like you would in South Africa. I only have a kettle because I fell in love with a kettle my first time I went to South Africa.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so I bought a kettle after I went to South Africa.
So how did you make your coffee before that?
Well, we have coffee machines, so I have like an espresso. We don't really do instant coffee here. Pas op, die sop is selfs warm as die ketelwater. Wag tot die oond op sy warm is voor jy die brood insit. Dankie, dankie.